Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new game eFootball 24. So this is the day one, how you can do the debut missions. So let's get started. Let's go through the debut mission and learn more about the ins and out eFootball 24. And you have to unlock the debut mission 2 by complete the mission 1. Let's tap continue. As you can see, this is the objective and this is how you can claim reward if the objective already complete. Just tap the objective, tap OK, the item claim, and this one, and complete this one. This icon, it means you don't have do not yet do the objectives. For example, learn the control. Just tap the learn the control. This one, tap the dribbles. This is the first mission to complete. Slide on the left side, skip, dribble. As you can see, this is the first training program, how you can control the ball, how you can dribble the ball, and this is the 4 through shoot, pass and dash, how you can control. So you have doing some mission in here to complete the debut mission. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, as well click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.